Smart home pest monitoring for new home construction lets homeowners detect infestations early and address conditions that attract pests. Start by planning sensor placement during framing and before insulation, so wiring and power access are simple and unobstructed. Use moisture and temperature sensors in crawl spaces, basements, and behind exterior walls to catch the conditions that lead to termites, cockroaches, and mold-feeding pests. Set thresholds for sustained humidity and temperature swings rather than single readings to reduce false positives. Install motion or low-light cameras in attics and roof voids aimed at likely wildlife pathways and entry points, and set them to record short clips on triggered activity to save storage. Integrate electronic bait station alarms and magnetic door sensors at known rodent runways so you get an alert the moment a unit is engaged. Have your smart system forward alerts to a pest professional through shared access or a dedicated alert channel so a trained technician can triage before the homeowner makes a decision. Schedule repeating push notifications for inspection reminders tied to seasonal risk windows so inspections happen when pressure from insects and rodents is historically highest. 3 common issues are false positives from normal temperature swings, sensor placement that misses key entry points, and battery or power failures that leave gaps in coverage. To avoid false positives, use multi-day averaging and combine humidity with temperature triggers so short-term changes do not create unnecessary alarms. For mist coverage, map pest pathways during construction and place sensors at foundation junctions, eaves, and utility penetrations rather than random open areas. To prevent power-related downtime, use hard-wired sensors where feasible and choose devices with multi-month battery life plus local backup alerts that warn us when a unit reports low power. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can install integrated pest monitoring systems and handle follow-up treatments. We also help contractors find work and join a discussion community where homeowners and pros share real-world tips and coordinate inspections.